how to create a professional letterhead template in Docs. Everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So with any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first launch your Docs in your website and then tap on sorry, template gallery, and over here you will have to find letterheads like these. Find the one that best suits you. You can also search it from here, business letter. The template will appear over here, and using this template you can find what font to use, how much gapping to put, and many more. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down, and I'll catch you in the next one.